My CAM presentation is on Qigong and alternative therapy. Qigong has been defined as an ancient Chinese healing art that dates back to 7,000 years. The word Qigong involves two theories: Qi, the vital energy of the body, and Gong, the training or cultivation of Qi. Andrews and Boyle describe the practice as combining movement, meditation, and regulation of breathing to enhance the flow of qi in the body, improve blood circulation, and enhance immune function. Qigong is different from Tai Chi. The difference is that Tai Chi involves martial arts movements, while Qigong does not. Qigong is used as a preventative strategy in Chinese culture. It is a mind and body practice that has developed over time. A systematic review suggested that Qigong plus antihypertensive drugs significantly decreased both systolic blood pressure and diastolic blood pressure more than antihypertensive drugs alone. Another systematic review conducted by Yang on the effect of traditional Chinese medicine on Parkinson's disease revealed that for quality of life, Qigong plus medication showed better effect than aerobic exercise plus medication. There are no serious side effects or adverse effects for using Qigong. I did see in a few articles that some people thought that Qigong might be bad for mental health in the way that some people experienced tics or obsessions with repeating the same movement over and over again if they practice Qigong too much. But to me, the research didn't have enough evidence or credibility for me to include it as a serious side effect. According to Yang, one study reported that there were some back pain and ankle sprain experienced by some users. So current research suggests that Qigong is a good supplement to current treatments that are on the market, and it's a good way for the whole body to be addressed holistically. I believe that Qigong is just really good for relaxation and taking away some of the stress associated with illness. There are many different types of Qigong. Internal Qigong, Nei Qi, and external Qigong, Wei Qi, are distinguished by who is practicing Qigong. So in internal Qigong, Nei Qi, you practice Qigong yourself. And in Wei Qi, there is a trained practitioner who performs Qigong for you. No health teachings were discussed in research articles. Safety teachings to prevent injury can be generalized to Qigong instead. So basic safety interventions such as changing position slowly to minimize orthostatic hypotension, resting for a minute or two if you feel lightheaded or dizzy, wearing non-skid socks and shoes, and if a certain position is giving you pain, then to stop. I couldn't find any recent nursing research studies on Qigong, but I did find one from 2004. So this one was by Kemp. She conducted a research study to describe Qigong and its application as a complementary therapy to promote health and wellness for older adults and to examine the effect of Qigong for chronic conditions that commonly affect older adults. She reviewed a few studies and concluded that Qigong may be a promising therapeutic intervention for chronic conditions found in older adults such as carotid artery disease, hypertension, peripheral vascular disease, chronic pain, COPD, and poor kidney function. In summary, Qigong is an alternative therapy that has shown to have positive effects when combined with traditional medical interventions. Qigong is used predominantly in Chinese culture. For my references, I used the class textbook Transcultural Concepts in Nursing Care, and I used three research articles. One was a nursing research article by Kemp, and then the other two were research articles by Chinese doctors on the benefits of Qigong for hypertension and for Parkinson's disease. Thank you so much for listening to my presentation.